I'm going to show you how to create a program that will get your TI Rover to drive. So we're going to go to New Document, and we're actually going to add a program editor, and it's a new program editor. Call it whatever you like. I'm going to call mine Rover, and now we're into the coding page. It's already set up, the structure is already set up for you to then use. So below where it says program, we're going to get the Rover to drive forward. So everything we need is in menu, and most of the stuff that we're going to use is in hub, because it's the black box that's underneath. It's called a TI Innovator Hub. And we've got the blue thing, which is the car itself. It's called a Rover, so number 7. And we've got to connect it. So if you look here, we've got to actually connect the Rover. Just like you've got to connect to the Wi-Fi in a new building or at school, before you can actually use the Wi-Fi, we need to connect the Wi-Fi, the Rover. Once we've done that, follow the same structure again on a new line of code, menu, hub, Rover, drive this time, and I'm going to get it to drive forward. And I'm going to ask you if that's okay to type in 1, and then get your Rover to drive and tell me what you think 1 does for the Rover. To get it to drive, it's very simple. We use the short keys like we would on a Windows document. So for run, it's Control R. When we get onto a new screen, for a calculator screen, we just press enter, and then the program will do whatever it needs to do. Just make sure that the Rover is on, and to get back into your program, arrow back to the other tab, and then when you'll be able to edit your program. Hopefully you found that useful, and good luck trying to make a square. Thanks for watching.